So on the 13th of August I was at Greenfoot because I was there to see the Blue Pullman. So my first catch was 2J90, the 1446 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Queen Street with 385124. Then this was 2C38, the 1451 ScotRail service to Cumbernauld from Dalmuir with 32302 and 32322. Then this is 5Z42, the 1504 locomotive service to Dundee HS from Crewe HS with 43046 and 43055. Then this is 4N30, the early 1504 turned up at 1459. DB Cargo service to Grangemouth TDG from Mossend Down Yard with 66164.